Hey everybody, we are going through all the trash lawnmowers that we found lately. We just did a quick video on this Craftsman over here that we don't know what we're going to do with. So here's another one that we pulled out of the trash. I uploaded a video of us rescuing out of the trash. This one here has some bad camber going on and a rusted out deck. It is a Craftsman 7 horsepower Briggs & Stratton DLM mower, 21-inch multi-speed front wheel drive. The
overhead valve.
Overhead valve. The boy already flipped it up. You said the blade's missing.
Yep.
Okay, so the blade is missing on this one. This one must be made for little people because the handle is so far down and messed up. So let's go ahead and let's check the oil. Okay, there's hardly any oil on the stick. Let's check the gas. The gas is completely empty, and boy, it smells bad. The carburetor's probably clogged up on this one too. Does the engine brake thing work? Yes, the engine brake thing is working, and it's got the carburetor on this side over here. Not sure how we're going to get the spray up in it to see if it runs.
Get a flat.
Is that pull cord even going to work?
Yeah, you got to pull it over quick.
Oh yeah, look at that. Well, we're going to get a screwdriver. We're going to get the air cleaner off and spray some starting fluid down and see if we can get at least fired to see if the motor's worth saving, or this one's going to go to the metal yard. I think that one might be going to the metal yard too. So we'll be back in a couple minutes. Alrighty, everybody, we got the air filter lid off, and here's something I want to show you. Is you shouldn't leave your lawnmower outside, because this screw here is rusted really bad, and we had a hard time getting it out, and the air filter looks pretty nasty on this one. So let's walk back over to the machine. Where did I put the starting fluid? Oh, starting fluid is over here. All right, the cord is really short pull on this thing, so we're just going to go ahead and give it a pull. Let's see what happens. You have the throttle on start. There you go.
Ready?
Yep. Try it a couple more times. Alrighty, I think that's good enough. All right, everybody, I think this one is a fail. This one is a fail. I think this one is going straight to the metal yard. The pull cord is messed up. The deck is completely gone.
The wheels are all destroyed.
The wheels are bald and destroyed. We can't even get it to fire. The handle is bent down to where, a 5-year-old kid might be able to use it. And just look at this thing. So I think this one's a fail. This one's going to go straight to the metal yard. All right, everybody. Well, thanks for watching. Sorry we didn't get this one running. We didn't, we can't be winners all the time. So, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like all the junk lawnmower videos that we're doing. And please like and share.